At ITT, we have characterized our aspirational culture as one that lives its values. The phrase that we use internally is living our values, and that has great meaning to us in the company. We have a poster that pictures the different elements of what our values are. We have trained our employees on it. We have surveyed our employees on it. Our communications all use common terminology and enhance the recognition of those values as guiding everything that we do. We frame it around three specific values: respect, responsibility, and integrity. We try to frame all of our corporate strategies and our corporate activities around that terminology. We've translated into every language in which our employees operate. We include it in our employment literature. We include it in our customer literature. We include it in our bids and proposals. We include it in employee evaluations. In other words, it permeates everything that we do. And it has become a real nice unifying cultural attribute in the company. Our corporate culture is very important to us. I think it's because the leadership here fully understands that you can ask a lot of people to do a lot of work and they'll do the work, but you can't take them to the next level where it's meaningful work, where they feel fully engaged, and where they actually deliver the kind of performance that premier companies deliver if they don't believe it. And they won't believe it if the leaders don't believe it. So we've kind of taken an approach that comes at it in a very holistic way. Our employees, first of all, are driving it. They want it. They want a good culture to work in. They want to have meaningful work. They want to work in an environment where their work is respected, but where they're also respecting the environments in which they work. But the leaders also want to work in that kind of an environment. It's just that typically in most businesses, when you get into daily work, you're so driven by just getting that work done that you stop thinking about what it is that motivates people other than just getting the work done. And I think we've done a really good job the last several years of paying attention to that which motivates people to deliver their best and to feel that their work is meaningful. It has to do with the leadership meeting its commitments to good corporate governance. It has to do with contributing to major philanthropic efforts. It has to do with being honest and operating with great integrity with respect to our customers. And it has to do with being respectful of the many government environments in which we operate. In every aspect, corporate responsibility means that we behave in a way that we all can be proud of our company. It's very, very important that our employees know the work that we're doing, that the communities in which we operate know what we're doing, that our shareholders and other stakeholders know what we're doing. So we are committed to publishing as much information as is possible given normal corporate oversight requirements. Transparency is what helps to engage employees, though, in the activities that we're expecting from them. How do they know that this is a good place to work? How do they know that they have a lot to be proud of if we don't provide that information in a transparent way? On the other side, how do we know what we need to work on if we don't raise the issues that we don't think we're doing very well on? So it's an important concern to maintain focus on at all times. One of the exciting things about the whole subject of corporate responsibility is that it's always evolving because there's always new things you can go after to be better, but there is no limit to your aspirations. So your challenge is to take on those aspirations that will advance your commitments and your contributions to your environments in a meaningful way. You can't do everything. And if you lose focus, you will diminish the impact of anything that you're doing. So as I look toward to the future, there's just a lot of exciting things that we can do. I can't imagine this ever drying up and not being forward advancing.